Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to review this hair color again. I don't know how many times I've been like dyeing my hair, but anyway, I've been getting like a bad hair dye so many times, and then it keeps leaving my hair color being light colored like this, so that is why I actually dye my hair a lot of times. So anyway, yeah, today I'm gonna be reviewing Mise en Scene, Mise en Scene, I don't know. I'm not French, so pardon my French pronunciation. So Mise en Scene Hello Bubble Foam Color in Mermaid Green. So this is the product. So yeah, let's just open it up and see. We got the pump thingy, and then this is code 1, and then we have like some kind of packet here. We also have the bottle that says 2, and we have the Perfect Serum 3-minute salon pack, this one, and a sachet that says number 3. Let's just look at the instructions. Alright, so basically you have to open the bottle number 2, and then you put the number 1 and number 3 together to this bottle, and then you mix it slowly, kind of like every other hair colorants out there. Just twist it slowly for 20 times. Okay, so I think I've mixed it well. So now let's just try to apply it onto my hair. Okay, here we go.
A few moments later.
Guys, so this is how it looks like after washing it and then drying it out. So I would say that to get the kind of color that is in the box, you don't really need to like bleach. I would say that you might need to just maybe previously, if you colored your hair before, then it's going to like show up kind of like the one in the box, because as you guys can see, it is kind of green. Well, you can't really see it in the camera, but it is actually pretty green in real life. But overall, yeah, I kind of like this color so much, and I would say that thanks to the bubble formula, it actually helps me to apply it a lot better. And yeah, the coverage is pretty nice as well. So yeah, I would think that it is pretty nice. It's not too far from what the box, the model in the box. Honestly, I would recommend you guys to use this product. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!